busier intersections, you'll see sometimes the surface is polished a little bit, like with ice. This looks good though. Door length, perfect. And then we'll make a right turn at the four-way.
Okay.
A little 4 under the stop sign, you know what that means, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, 4 stops.
Stop and then 3 ways.
Mhm.
Can't see.
Yeah, we don't have a sidewalk, so you can stop right at the edge. See, the beginning of your roadway is kind of pushed with the snow, so you just kind of,
Just go around it.
yeah, just go with what you see. Yeah, which is fine. So, anywhere within city limits, if the speed limit isn't posted, what do you two assume the speed limit is?
50.
Yeah, 50 in good road conditions. So this is a safe, comfortable speed for today. At the next intersection, this one here is a two-way intersection. We're going to make a right turn.
Okay.
It's a two-way because otherwise we'd have a little 4 or an all-way or something like that under the stop sign. So first thing I look for is where to stop. Doesn't look like there's a sidewalk here, so right at the edge. Yep. Yep, right here. Perfect. 2. When I count 1, 2, I mean left, right. It's a habit I have. You know, kick back. 1, 2. I'm going to make a right turn.
Okay.
So I'm looking for any vehicles approaching. Whoever arrives first gets to go first.
Yeah.
There's a visible line. Complete stop. 1, 2, off we go. You can tell he's slowing down. The Inuit have something like 33 different words to describe snow.
Really?
Yeah, it's not, they don't have like one word for it because they use snow, right? They use it for different purposes. And I wish I knew what the words were because I think it'd be really useful for driving. Like the, different colors, different textures. And
Yeah.
we're gonna make a right turn at the 3-way. So it's like different colors and textures mean different things when you're driving. The shininess, the